I had to take this off this. This whole situation had to come off because of this. We donate 20% of our income to extend the Groom for Change project across Cape Town. I need a shave again, and I know that like the last 3 videos possibly have a montage of some sort of me shaving, and I'm not just shaving for YouTube. I do need to shave. Like, this is becoming irritating and I need to shave, but I have a story to tell. I want to tell you about last week. See, at the beginning of the week, Monday, I posted a YouTube video, which means I was working the whole weekend to finish that video. So that happened. Then when I was done with that, Tuesday morning, I had officially launched the Backer Buddy for Groom for Change. And my friends at Heart FM, I had a morning radio live interview, not live, but live on on Zoom.
They say in life there are a couple of people you don't trust. You don't trust a sober barman. You don't trust a sick doctor. I wonder to what extent you can trust a bald barber. He doesn't have a single damn hair on his head. Warren, good morning.
Good morning, Aiden.
Anyway, so that was Tuesday morning. Wednesday, public holiday, but I had a lot of work to finish. I needed to get ready for Thursday. What happened on Thursday? I can't remember. What happened Thursday? There's obviously preparation for Friday, because Friday I had a Facebook Live with the Voice newspaper doing a grooming show. Yeah, so Wednesday was prep for that. Thursday was just like rehearsals type of thing, and another YouTube video. And then Friday I did the Facebook Live thing. It was supposed to be a 30-minute grooming talk. It was a lot of fun. Sure, bro, you don't even understand the nerves that you go through when you're presenting something live on Facebook. And the people's not even in front of you, they're just there on the screen. But I mean, it's going to live on the internet forever, and you don't want to make an ass out of yourself. So you put your best foot forward, and you really, give it a lot of effort. You put a lot into it. That was Friday. And then what I want to do, just hold on. So what happens now is I've got a box and I've written down some names, and everybody that donated 200 or more to the Backer Buddy, they now automatically go into their names go into this box. So those people's names. So this is what it is that 1 week of running the Backer Buddy project, right? 1 week. I launched it last week on Tuesday, and it's only been online for, more or less a week. And there's already been donors. And this is my way now of just saying thank you to them. Thank you for backing this project, like we're not anywhere close to the target yet, but I mean, I'm not going away. This project is not going away. I'm never going to stop. It's always going to, and getting the bus and getting it, like the maiden voyage and all of that, that's where the work starts. That's not, oh, we've now reached the target, well done, go back to your normal life. No, it only starts then. That's only the beginning, like step 1, get the bus. Now we actually have to go and do the work. But I want to say thank you to the people that have already donated. Conrad, William Lowe, Anouk Foss, Callan, Hadassah and Yolanda and Chaz. Thank you for your donation. Thank you for believing in this project as much as I do, and for making a sacrifice with me. You guys are in for the draw for the motorbike. Maybe I should make it smaller so that it becomes, I'll do that again, because I mean this box will probably just get bigger as we go along. So that's it, that's what we're doing. Thank you to everyone that's already donated. Like, it warms my heart, it really does. And now I'm gonna do that shave.